Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we will discuss the software development use cases of generative AI. So as we all know, in today's field of software development, generative AI is already being used to automate tasks such as code generation, bug detection, and documentation. Similarly, this can save developers a significant amount of time and effort, and this can also be helpful in to improve the code quality. So, if I talk about the business perspective, this can help business to stay ahead of the competition and to deliver the better products and services for the customer. So, let's quickly discuss these use cases one by one. So, the first use case is the code generation. So, let's see how OpenAI can be helpful in code generation. So suppose I need to write a function that takes a list of numbers and return the sum of the even numbers. So what I need to do, I need to only prompt this statement to the OpenAI, like generate a function that takes a list of numbers and returns the sum of the even numbers by using Python. So it will generate this complete function code by using Python language. I can copy this code and I can easily use this code. So you have seen like it has saved a lot of my time, and it's obvious like the quality of code is also very good. So Azure OpenAI large models can be helpful to generate code snippets, complete code, and even to write the entire applications. So this is all about the first use case, that is code generation. So let's move to the second use case, that is bug detection. So let's see how OpenAI can be used for detecting a bug within my code. So what I need to do for this, I need to only prompt find all the bugs within the following code, and I need to copy and paste my code. So it will tell you like the bug is in the line this, where the condition is this, and it will always be true because number is always an integer. And not only this, it will only not rectify the bug, it will also share the solution like how you can fix this bug. So AI tool will suggest the changing the condition to this number this, which will only be true when a number is an even number. So this is how the bug detection can be done with the help of open AI. So let's move to the third use case, that is recommendations. So suppose I need some recommendations for a library for a natural language processing. So what I need to do, I need to only prompt this to the OpenAI, like recommend a library for natural language processing. So it will basically recommend me the name of the libraries. Along with the name, it will also give me a overview for these libraries, along with their strength and weakness too. So this is how I can get the recommendations for a specific libraries from the OpenAI. So let's move to the next use case, that is documentation. So suppose I need to generate documentation for a function that I have already written. So what I need to do, I need to just prompt this to OpenAI, like generate documentation for the following function. And what AI tool will do, AI tool will basically generate the documentation for the function, including its purpose, arguments, and the return value. And this documentation will also include a short example of how to use this function. And as we can see, like this can be a valuable tool for both developers and users, and it can helps to make the code more readable and understandable. So this is all about this use case documentation. Now let's move to the next use case, that is test case generation. So this OpenAI tool can also be used to generate the test cases. So suppose you have already written a function, and now you need to generate the test case for that function. So what are you need to do? You need to only prompt like generate test cases for the following function, and you need to copy and paste that function to the OpenAI. And in the return, what you will get the list of the use cases for that function. So in my case, so the use cases that is generated for my functions are: the function work correctly when the list of number is empty. The function should work correctly when the list of number contains only even number. The function should work correctly when the list of numbers contains both even and odd numbers. So this is how like test case generation can be done by using OpenAI. So OpenAI can also be used for the idea generation. So suppose I want to generate the ideas for the new software product. So what I need to do, I need to only prompt to OpenAI like generate ideas for a new software product. And what AI tool will do, AI tool will generate the number of ideas for a new software product based on the user input. For example, AI tool might generate ideas for a software product that helps to people to learn a new language, helps people to manage their finances, helps people to find and book the travel. So these are the few examples. So this is how idea generation can be done by using the OpenAI. So there are other use cases like in case you want to generate a template, email template that you need to use within your product or service that you have created. So this can also be helpful in generation of the email template. You need to only prompt the email like email template for so and so, so it will generate that specific email template, and you can use that email template within your product. So thank you guys for watching this video. In case you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Rahul M365.